This is my juvenile tank. I got my spiny soft shell, my little mud turtle. That's Courage. My common musk turtle. This is their tank setup. That's my Mississippi map, long legs. That's Bo, river cooter. There's Ducky, red-eared slider, a male. They're always greedy, always want something to eat. These are all males, every last one of them. The story behind this guy, I was at work one day. I work at a oyster shucking place. I shuck oysters. And I was walking by the crawfish pot where they boil crawfish. And he was sitting on top of the crawfish about to be boiled. And I just so happened to be there to save him. Thank God, that's why I call him Courage. Now he's happy and healthy. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.